Hey guys, Tate from Florida here. I'm checking in with you from Avon Park, Florida, and I'm at the historic train depot here. It was built in 1912. It's also a museum that's run. It's currently closed now for the summer. This was a people train, and it was deeded to the city by the Seaboard Coastline Railroad in 1926. They've also added on a dining car now, the California Zephyr Silver Palm dining car. And it is actually still next to the train tracks. I can actually hear a train coming now. Looks like just an engine coming. CSX. So as you can see, the train tracks are still in operation today. We'll walk around the back side of the building here. This was a primarily a people train, and if you notice, there's none of the big sliding doors in the back here that they would load freight onto or anything. So we just happened to get lucky with a train going by today, but this is the historic Avon Park train station here in Avon Park, Florida, built in 1912.